Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the lift-off distance on the Endgame Gear OP1 mouse. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Endgame Gear app and then make sure that the mouse has been connected. And now we're going to go to the right and select lift-off distance. And here you have two options, 1mm and 2mm. So basically, the more you want to lift off your mouse and you want it to still be detected, the bigger needs to be the amount. So you select 2mm, it's going to be detected of 2mm. And now that you've selected the option, make sure to apply it by pressing the apply button. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.